We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner on an Brother HL L5200dw. So first thing, you want to hit this button right here. That's going to open your front hatch. Pull this little lever out. Then you have this little green tab right here. If you press on that, it'll release the toner from the drum. So just set your old toner to the side. Go ahead and unbox your new one, and then you'll just take it and insert it right there. Once you hear it click, then you know it's in there all together. Once you hear it click in the printer, you know it's in there the right way. Shut your front hatch, then you should be good to go. This printer does take a TN850. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.